Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the phone off and ejecting the SIM and micro SD tray. This prevents short circuits and gives access. Once done, warm the rear glass edge for 30 to 60 seconds with a hairdryer or low heat gun to loosen adhesive. Make a small gap with a suction cup, then insert a thin pick and work clockwise slowly. You want a consistent gap, not sudden prying. Make sure to keep the heat moving so the glass doesn't shatter. Once the rear cover is removed, remove the mid-frame screws and take off protective plastic shields so you can see the battery connector. You should identify and disconnect the battery plug before proceeding. This removes power and prevents accidental shorts. Next, free the adhesive by lifting obvious tabs or sliding a plastic pry tool beneath the battery edge. Work from one corner and use steady pressure. If adhesive resists, reapply heat briefly. Do not flex or puncture the battery while prying. With the battery free, lift it straight out and inspect the connector and surrounding flex cables for damage. This is why you worked carefully earlier. Once satisfied, place new or same battery into the bay, reconnect the battery connector, and test power on. Make sure the phone boots and charges before sealing. After testing, replace adhesive strips on the rear glass, align the cover, and press evenly or use clamps for 10 to 15 minutes. If the phone won't power on, double-check the connector seating and screw placements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.